Okay, Maya. Something funny happened to me yesterday.
Oh, really? Tell me.
I met a new neighbor. He spoke to me in English.
That sounds normal.
Yes, Maya, but I got stuck.
Stuck? But why?
He asked me a very simple question.
What was it?
He asked how my day was.
That is easy.
Yes, Maya, but my mind went blank.
Oh, no.
I wanted to tell him it was good.
And?
I replied, my day is going was good yesterday now.
Oh, that is confusing.
Yes, Maya. I knew the words.
But you could not form the sentence.
Exactly.
This happens to many learners. You know English, but you do not know ready sentences.
So you start thinking, translating, and then you get stuck.
So today, we will fix that problem.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I am Alex.
And I am Maya. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very practical.
Yes, we're going to learn 50 common English sentences you can use every day.
These are real-life sentences. You can use them at home, at the office, or while traveling.
If you enjoy this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It really helps us grow. All right, let us begin.
Let us start with morning. Simple daily sentences.
I just woke up.
I am getting ready.
I am running late.
I will be ready in 5 minutes.
I am having breakfast.
I need some coffee.
I am leaving now.
See you later.
Now let us make a small story.
Good idea.
I wake up late.
You then say, oh no, I am running late.
Then I say, I will be ready in 5 minutes.
And finally, I am leaving now.
This is how real life works.
Now let us talk about home.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I already ate.
What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
Can you help me?
Sure, no problem.
I am tired. I need some rest. Alex, once I said, I am boring. I wanted to say I am bored.
Big difference.
Yes, I am boring means I am not interesting.
And I am bored means I feel tired or not interested. Now let us go to the office. I have a meeting today. I will join in a minute. Let me check. I will get back to you.
That sounds good. I agree with you. I have a question. Can you explain this?
Now let us talk about social life. How are you doing?
I am doing well.
What are you doing these days?
I am working on a project.
Long time no see.
Yes, it has been a while.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now let us talk about common reactions.
Really? That is interesting. Oh no, that is great. I understand. That makes sense.
You do not need 1,000 words. You just need useful sentences. Use these daily. Repeat them.
All right, Alex. Now let us talk about something very common, asking for help. We all need help sometimes, and knowing how to ask is very important.
You can say, can you help me? Or you can ask, could you please help me?
If you want to sound polite, add please. You can also say, I need your help.
Can you help me with this?
Yes, sure.
Simple, natural, and polite. Now the opposite. Offering help. Let me help you. Do you need help? I can help you with that.
Alex, once I said, I will help you after 1 hour, maybe if I am free.
That sounds not helpful.
Yes, too long and confusing. Better say, I will help you in an hour.
Now let us talk about plans. What are you doing today? I have plans. Are you free? Yes, I am free. Let us meet. Sounds good.
Yesterday, my friend called me.
What did he say?
He said, "Are you free today?"
And you said,
"Yes, let us meet."
that is a natural conversation.
Now, real life situation. Shopping or eating out.
How much is this? I would like this. Can I get a menu? I will have this. Can I have the bill? Thank you.
Now, emotions. Feelings. I am happy. I am sad. I am excited. I am worried. I feel tired. I feel better now.
It is important to express feelings. It makes your English natural. Now talking about problems.
I have a problem. I need help. This is not working. There is an issue. I will fix it.
Now conversation skills. Agreeing and disagreeing. Yes, I agree. Yes, I think so too. I am not sure. I do not agree. I see it differently.
Let us show another mistake.
Instead of, I am not understand, you can say, I do not understand.
Instead of, I am having a doubt, you can say, I have a question.
These small changes improve your English a lot. Let us try a full conversation. Hello, how are you?
I am doing well. What about you?
I am good. Are you free today?
Yes, I am free.
Let us meet.
Sounds good.
That is natural English.
Do not try to learn everything at once. Learn small groups of sentences. Use them daily. Repeat them again and again.
All right, Maya. Now it is time to use everything. This is where learning becomes speaking. Let us imagine a real morning.
I wake, then I going, then breakfast, then office.
Better example is, I woke up a few minutes ago. I am getting ready. I am having breakfast. I am leaving now.
See the difference? Clear sentences, smooth flow.
Now office situation.
Instead of, I am having one doubt in this work. You can use, I have a question.
Instead of, you explain me this. You can use, can you explain this to me?
Small changes, big improvement.
Now meeting a friend. Instead of, I am seeing you after long time. You can use, long time no see.
Instead of, what you doing these days? You can use, what are you doing these days?
Now, at the restaurant. Instead of, I want food, give menu. You can use, can I get a menu?
Instead of, I finish, bill. You can use, can I have the bill? See, simple, polite, and natural.
Let us do a full role play. Hello, how are you?
I am doing well. What about you?
I am good. What are you doing today?
I have a meeting today.
Wow, that sounds busy.
Yes, but I will finish soon.
Are you free later?
Yes, I am free.
Let us meet.
Sounds good. This is how real conversations sound.
Now we give you a simple routine.
Morning. Say 5 sentences.
Afternoon. Use 5 sentences in real life.
Evening. Repeat 5 sentences again.
Do this every day. Stand in front of a mirror and just say, I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. Say it with confidence.
Let us review. Use simple sentences. Use them daily. Do not translate too much. Speak naturally. Practice every day. Confidence will come.
All right, listeners. Now it's your turn. Write 3 sentences in the comments. For example, I am feeling good. I have a meeting today. I need some rest.
Keep it simple. Remember, English is not about big words.
It is about simple communication. Use these sentences daily. Make them part of your life.
Also, practice activities for home, office, or while you are traveling are given in the description. Please check it.
Step by step, day by day, you will become confident.
See you in the next episode of English Tour. Bye for now.